Welcome back. Another session to fix your broken LG G6 camera lens. Let's find one replacement kit in Amazon. It's pretty decent deal. It comes with one black lens, metal lens, and one adhesive sheets, one pair of adhesive sheets, and one tool and sheet to clean and fix it. So the first thing is to clean up the debris. So each damage can be totally different in its own way. In my case, one part of the lens is broken while the other is still intact. I have to cut it to maintain for a couple of days, but then I realized it's too much to use it that way, so I decided to go ahead and fix it. So the tool is pretty handy. Using this, I was able to remove the lens, broken lens cover, and then there are some debris noticed on the corners. After removing that, there was some moist noticed on the lens and some dust, so I have to clean that up. And yeah, it's time to add the adhesive. So it comes in 3 layers. The white is paper and the black portion is the actual adhesive, double-sided adhesive, and then there is a plastic or polythene cover which you can ignore. You can just hold the polythene cover at the bottom and then firmly pick it up, black facing down, one side. Position your hand first, rest your hand firmly on the table, hold it in position. Make sure you face the center portion on the flash, and when you're sure you're in the right spot in all angles, since it's paper, it's better to hold firmly with finger before you take off this finger. And once it is in position, firmly press the adhesive from all angles, and just to be sure it is in position, take a closer look, and once you feel comfortable, give a hard press on the adhesive sheet from all sides so that it sits in the place. Now the next thing is to remove the white sheet. It's kind of tricky to get it in the first attempt. I have to try different angles to get hold of it. It's so tightly cut into the adhesive, but once you get a position, hold it firmly using the tool and then peel it off carefully. There you go. There is one small portion outside the lens area which can be removed later. You don't need to worry about it for the moment. Before we go and add the cover, let's do a quick test to make sure the lens is in right position, because once you add the black metal lens, there is no going back. So just to be sure camera is working fine and everything is in good. Now once it's decided you're good to go, take the metal lens, peel off the cover carefully, not touching the surface because it is so clear and your fingerprints may be on the metal, which doesn't hurt, but if the fingerprints on the lens on the back side, that is a permanent glare on the image quality. So be careful not to touch it before placing it inside. And once you position it firmly in the place, just make sure the corners are properly fit in the spot, but cross verifying using your way of checking, and then make sure it fits correctly in all directions, and then you can peel off the small portion is just pre-cut, but to hold it and put it in place it was given, and that can be removed now. Once we ensure the lens is in correct position, we can give it a light press using the metal cloth, using the cloth given in the package. Don't give it too hard, because the hard press is going to be permanent. Just to be sure it is in right place, because you have another spare set in the package. In case if something goes wrong, you have a fallback option at this point. So everything is looking great. So let's give it a very hard press, firmly, gently across the lens area. And once everything is done, make sure it looks great. And careful, there are glass debris taken off from the piece, so be careful in removing that. Use a double-sided tape or a similar material to get those debris removed carefully. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.